Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we have something special for you. We're going to introduce you to the best Adirondack chair available in the market, the Ciokea Folding Adirondack Chair. If you're looking to elevate your outdoor relaxation game, this chair is a game changer. Stick around as we dive into its features, benefits, and why it deserves the title of the best Adirondack chair out there. Let's kick things off with a brief overview of the Ciokea Folding Adirondack Chair. This chair is not your ordinary outdoor seating option. It's designed with your comfort and convenience in mind. Crafted from wood-grain high-density polyethylene material, it's built to withstand the elements and offer unrivaled durability. Now, let's delve into the key features that set this Adirondack chair apart from the rest. Unlike many other plastic chairs, this one's made from resilient HDPE material, ensuring it can withstand strong impacts without losing its shape. One of the standout features is its foldable design. It can be easily folded and transported, making it perfect for camping trips or saving space on your patio when not in use. Upgraded to wood-grain HDPE material, this chair can handle the harshest weather conditions. It won't fade in the sun, succumb to heavy snow, or deteriorate in salt spray and coastal winds. What's innovation without thoughtful design? The Ciokea Folding Adirondack Chair doesn't disappoint. With a 103 degrees tilt angle, it's designed for a deep, comfortable sitting experience, catering to adults of all sizes. No need to worry about where to place your drink. This chair comes with a retractable cup holder, ensuring your beverage is within arm's reach. The chair's armrests have been widened for added convenience, making it easy to place your laptop or other items. Now, you might be wondering about assembly and warranty. Assembling this chair is a breeze. You only need 6 steps to put together 10 parts, and it can be done in just 15 minutes. Worried about potential issues? Don't be. The Ciokea Folding Adirondack Chair comes with a 2-year warranty, and their customer service team is available 24/7 to assist you. Now, let's see what customers are saying about this chair. As you can see, customers are loving this chair for its comfort, sturdiness, and ease of assembly. It's truly a top-notch product. Finally, let's talk about the price. The Ciokea Folding Adirondack Chair is currently available for $159.99, down from its list price of $219.99, saving you $60. To sum it up, if you're in the market for the best Adirondack chair that combines style, comfort, durability, and convenience, the Ciokea Folding Adirondack Chair is a fantastic choice. Whether you're relaxing on your porch, in your garden, or by the fire pit, this chair has got you covered. That's it for today's product review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. And subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews of the latest products on the market. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.